If you're concerned about kick-up or rock chips getting to your hood and want some stylish protection, this Aeroskin 2 Hood Protector in textured black will be a great solution for your 2018 or newer JL Wrangler. Now this will be perfect for you if you've noticed that the front of your hood is getting beat up with kick-up on the street or the trail, and you want to protect your paint or even cover up any existing imperfections. In addition to the protection, this will also be a great pick if you want to add some small black accents to the Jeep for some contrast, especially with the textured black appearance. This will feature a full coverage design that spans across the hood with cutouts on either side for the hood latches. Now this is also going to have a contoured design with the raised center deflector here, which will help with any pebbles or bugs from getting to the back portion of the hood. This is made from a specialized TPO plastic material which will remain lightweight while offering the strength needed to take those smaller hits. I also like that the textured finish has more of an OE style to it, so it's going to match with any other OE textured materials that you already have on the Jeep. Now as you can see, this is also just going to fit very well on the hood, made with the exact specs for a tight fit. Now on the back, this will also feature the heavy-duty auto-grade tape that's going to keep this in place for years to come while not requiring any modification at all. Now this will come in at roughly $200, which will put this at more of a premium price point compared to others on the page. Now this will feature some smaller details like the raised center, the cutouts on the side, and that OE style texture black material. Now that's going to really give it a premium look and a premium feel. Now others on the page that may be a little less expensive than this one will usually include more of a simplistic design or just a different design overall with a bolt-on appearance, or they may be made of not a TPO like this one, but an acrylic like a window deflector. Now I think if you want a premium choice for hood protection and a seamless appearance in the meantime, then this is going to be right up your alley. Now install will be a very straightforward 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, taking you about 15 minutes to get the job done. Now at this point we can head over to the shop and check out a detailed breakdown of the install, so that's going to wrap it up for me. Let's go ahead and jump into it.
Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to install our hood protector here on our 2018 Wrangler, so let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do before we install our hood protector here is we're going to make sure that our surface is clean, free of any dirt, grease, grime. And I already wiped it off with some Windex with some alcohol in it, so I already cleaned this pretty good. Next, we're going to take our hood protector, and as you can see, it's got double-sided tape all over it. And what I do is I usually pull it back like that and pull it out so it sticks out and it's hanging out just like this one here. Now, what you'll do is do that to all the areas. Now, we're not going to be keeping this on our vehicle, so I'm not going to take it all off, but you're going to want to pull it all off, have it ready, and then all you're going to do is take it. We're going to get it lined up here in place. And I'm going to push down on where I moved it there. Now once you get it to that, what you're going to be able to do on yours is take this red tape, start pulling it on each end of all the places that you took it off. You can pull it here, pull it there, and you'll be able to pull them all off and then go around after you're done and you have them all pulled off and push. Because we're not going to keep this on, I'm not going to pull it off all the way, but you'll just pull this off. Just take it off this one, take it off this one, go along, really make sure you push down to make sure that the double-sided tape sticks and holds it in place. And that'll wrap up this install. That wraps up this review and install of our Aeroskin 2 Hood Protector textured black for 18 to 22 Jeep Wrangler JLs. Thanks for watching, and for all things Wrangler, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.